Welcome to Names of Birds in Arabic Part 1 quiz test. Question 1. Which bird is called usfur in Arabic? Is it a sparrow or is it a pigeon?
Sparrow.
Answer. Sparrow, that's correct. Great start. Keep going. Don't forget to test your knowledge. Take the free quiz linked in the description below and see how much you've learned. It's quick, fun, and totally free. Question 2. What does hamama mean in English? Is it a pigeon or is it a duck?
Pigeon.
A pigeon. Spot on. Well done. Question 3. Which bird is named batta in Arabic? Is it a duck or is it a goose?
Duck.
Answer. Duck. That's the right answer. Question 4. Which bird is called tawus in Arabic? Is it a peacock or is it a parrot?
Peacock.
Peacock. Absolutely correct. Amazing work.
Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.